Good morning. Our very cold morning. We've come to Matlock today, which is all the way on the other side of the Peak District, so we've driven straight across it. Fortunately the roads were alright because it is very icy this morning, but we survived and we're here. So yeah, we're going to do a little circular walk and a couple of cool little features we're hoping to see. Oh my god. See how slippy it is. Gotta watch where we're going, so...
Fingers crossed we won't break anything today.
Well, hopefully see you later. So, just been up to Pictor, which was a very pretty little lookout spot. And now we're heading to High Tor.
What you need to know about High Tor is it's a massive limestone crag and it used to be used for mining because they have loads of minerals.
And they have a very dangerous little ledge that you can walk along.
It's called a Giddy Ledge, which apparently is pretty sketchy. So
yeah, and I think even more sketchy today with all the ice and snow.
I quite like to do it.
So, about a month ago now, we bought a drone. Because we thought, yeah, it'll add a cool new sort of dynamic to our videos. But unfortunately, we haven't been able to use it up until now.
Yeah, it's due to weather restrictions, due to just general drone restrictions, because there are many in the Peak District.
But yeah, today I think the weather's looking good.
So fingers crossed.
It's very quiet, so hopefully we'll be able to get a little footage for you guys.
Are you ready?
Where are we?
At Giddy Ledge, so we're gonna do this sketchy little walk. They have some handrails, so fingers crossed it won't be that icy, but let's go.
So what do you think of Giddy Ledge?
Well, I think it wasn't scary at all. However, if you have fear of heights, then don't do it, because there are some parts that are a bit sketchy, but then you've got a handrail to hold on to, so you'll be fine. And also wear suitable shoes, no flip-flops.
So you can just about see the cable car that runs across the valley from here. And for some reason, I don't know why, they're keeping the cable cars just hanging over the valley in the off-season. Which seems a bit odd, but quite picturesque, nice to see.
So we just arrived to our next little stop for the day, and that's Cromford Mills, which was built in 1771 by Richard Arkwright, and that was actually the world's first successful water-powered cotton mill. So you can either buy a ticket to come and do a tour around the mill, but if the tickets are sold out, then you can just come in for the grounds and explore the grounds for free. You can go into the coffee shop, or you can just browse around the little shops.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take.
I didn't know we got crocodiles in the Peak District.
That's new.
News to me.
For those little birds over there.
So we've walked further than we thought.
Regret it all. When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you. in an endless fight, like every night it still feels right. Even the words can sting, I wanna change it.
It's not warm.